The Harry Potter Lollipop collection came. This is the one that I was waiting for. It's called Insecto, but it's watermelon, sriracha, lime, and it's the one I couldn't wait for. So we'll see. It tastes good. Mostly watermelon and some spiciness. And the lime makes it really good.